So you may be in a position where your AirPod sounds are very, very low. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing as always is taking a look at your specific AirPods right in front of you. A majority of the time, if you take a look at your AirPods in your hand or whatever, you may just want to double check there's not a lot of earwax, a lot of different stuff stuck in the middle of these AirPods, because if there is, that can have a humongous detrimental effect on the battery life or actually with the sound quality of your specific AirPods. So that's pretty much the first thing I'd recommend doing. On top of that, you may just want to make sure there's nothing stuck at the bottom of these AirPods either. From my experience, that's one of the easiest ways to go ahead and fix this situation as well. Now, let's say you're still having issues with your AirPods even after that. Well, what I would recommend doing is grabbing your iPhone, Android, or whatever it is, bringing your AirPods close to your specific device like this, and taking a look at the battery life. If your battery life is severely low on your AirPods, that can also have a pretty big detrimental effect on not only the battery life of your AirPods and the battery health, but also the sound quality. If your sound quality is really, really poor, sometimes that can be another thing I'd recommend looking at. Also, you may want to check the distance that you are away from your iPhone or Android. If you're extremely far away from your device, that can also diminish the quality of your AirPods, sound quality. So that's another thing I'd recommend doing. On top of that, another massive thing is checking the sound volume of your AirPods. Sometimes you may not even think about it. As long as you can see your battery connected to your specific AirPods and the battery life, that means they're connected. So all you have to do is go ahead and bring your volume up from the control center. You can also manually click the volume up or volume down buttons, and that should also increase or decrease the volume as well. A lot of people kind of forget about that, but that's another big thing to remember. On top of that, what I would recommend doing is seeing if there's an update available for your iPhone, Android, Mac, iPad, whatever you're connected to your specific AirPods with. Go ahead and go through, make your way over to your general settings, which is right here, not that one, right here. You want to click software update, and all you want to do is go ahead and update your software. As you can see, if there's a beta available or whatever, you want to go ahead and update your software. If it's still not working, I would probably recommend repairing your AirPods to your Android or iPhone or whatever it is. So open up your specific thing right here. Go ahead and hold down the button on the back for the white light on the top or the front to start blinking. Go ahead and repair your AirPods, and that may end up fixing it as well. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.